Alright, today we'll be looking at how to judge the lean of a tree. The method that I find works the best, which was taught to me, is to use a plumb bob, just a string with a weight of some kind on the bottom of it, your keychain, something like that. What you want to do is you want to plumb the tree from two different sides at a 90-degree angle to each other. So what I usually do is I just kind of walk around the tree until I think I'm looking perpendicular to the primary lean of the tree. I wasn't really sure on this tree, so I just picked a kind of a square geographic location here, about 90 degrees to the road out there that you can see. This is a north-south road. So I just walked over here about 90. Take the plumb bob, take your string, hold it right at the crown of the tree at the top. And the wind's moving it around a little bit. It's a little bit windy today. But holding that plumb bob right dead center at the bowl of the tree, at the top of the tree, you can see that even though it's moving around, it looks like the line is falling just at the outside of the trunk. Let's see if I can hold this a little bit better. It's averaging where the string is laying just on the outside edge of the bowl of the tree on this north side of the tree. So if we say that tree is about 16 or 18 inch DBH, that means the tree has about a 9-inch lean this way to the north. So then from this location, I want to do kind of sight in where my 90-degree mark would be. So if I walked out to the tree and then walked 90 degrees, that would probably put me right at the edge of that wood boiler there. So we'll just walk over here. Sometimes it's good to establish where you might want to end up before you get there, because if it's really thick or kind of a maze to get there, you might end up in a location that's not quite 90 degrees to where you want to be. So then we'll plumb the tree from this location. Once again, the wind is moving my plumb bob around a little bit, but with the string centered at the top of the tree, you can see that the string is basically on this east or left side of the tree. So I had a 9-inch lean this way, and then from this side I have a 9-inch lean that way. So you add those two vectors together, and which is convenient since they were about equal, and we say that the lean of the tree, the true lean of the tree, is on a 45-degree angle from where I started right towards where the camera's at now. So that's how you use a plumb bob to determine the lean of a tree. Sometimes it's pretty obvious on a tree if a tree has a real pronounced lean, but I found just as simple as it is, just using a plumb bob is the safest bet. So hopefully that's helpful.